is that every step of your life, all through this year, will show that your case is different. Whatever negative thing identify with you, you'll never see them again forever. Now we're going to run through these prophetic declarations
in the time of trial. You're my Jehovah Ebenezer. In lack and want, you are my great provider. In time of sickness, you are my Jehovah Rapha. Because I'm the Redeemer of the Lord. Surely, surely, my case is different. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. And so is mine, oh, because I'm the Redeemer of the Lord. My case is different. Serving the rock of ages. The Lord I serve is the soon coming King. His name is I am that I am. Oh, yes. Surely my case is different. Please don't sube kweme oh. Wakwa na biena mezu site no ndia mama. For my Lord God will do nothing at all. Without revealing his secret to his servant. He has said that my case is different. Surely my case is different. Omewe ni raya noro nazuo. Umuchukwu omewe nazanya noro niru. 10,000 may fall by your side, another 10,000 by your right, but it shall never come near me. When others are saying there is a casting down, oh, we'll be saying there is a lifting up. Recession or depression may rock the world. We'll be busy sharing our testimonies to confirm the word of the Lord through his servant. That's our case is different. My brother, come and see us. My case is different. Oh, my case is different. Let the children of God say yo, brother say it. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. Let the Redeemer of the Lord say. Because of the Redeemer of the Lord. There are things that are not permitted. My God forbid that they should happen to you. As a covenant child, failure is not permitted. You see, barrenness is not your portion. Untimely death is not permitted in your life. Because you are the Redeemer of the Lord. Poverty is not permitted. Poverty is not permitted. You see, sickness is not permitted at all. Because you are the Redeemer of the Lord. God of Oyedeko, the God of Adepoye, the God of Ami. Surely my case is different. God of Emmanuel Ojo, the God of Paul and God of Dr. Maopa.